Hey, all your viewers of Name Later, how are we doing today? Today we have a first. This is the first time I've ever brought a WE knife to the channel. Now, if you guys are a subscriber to BattlBox, this one's going to look kind of familiar to you. If not, this is going to be a treat for you. So stay tuned after I roll the intro. I'm going to show you what came in that box and tell you every single thing you need to know about it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, we've only got one little bit of housekeeping for you. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please give me that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Alright, as you saw by that opening, today we're going to take a look at WE Knives 704 X-Ray-Romeo. Now, like I made mention, if you subscribe to BattlBox, I think this was a Knife of the Month or a Pro Plus thing. I don't know. I bought it from BattlBox's website myself, so I didn't even bother to try to track down what mission it came from. Now, what makes this one exclusive, because it looks exactly like every other WE Knife 704 on the market. The red G10 scales and the D2 steel. That's it. That's what makes that exclusive to BattlBox. But what I thought was pretty cool is it came basically with a little carry case. And inside there, well, for you sticker heads, there's a sticker. The wonderful little, instructions / propaganda. And a little chamois, which I thought was pretty friggin' cool. This is the second blade I've gotten recently from BattlBox that came with a little carrying case, which I'm still like, okay then. But let's get into the fun stuff here, okay? So it's got an overall length of 8.125 inches. The blade is 3.5. Enclosed, it's 4.625. And it has a pretty minor weight to it of 3.47 ounces. Now, it's got a flat grind with a plain edge, and they call it a trailing point style. It is a silver bead blast finish, and I don't know if you can see it that well. It honestly really doesn't look bead blasted to me. It just looks like gray coated with something. But right there. Silver bead blast. Now it does have, stainless steel, as it said, bead blasted frame. Little liner lock. Well, yeah, liner lock, even though people were calling it a frame lock, that's a liner. It does have a flipper open, which kind of opens up pretty good. Now, the rest of the 704s in that series has like a ceramic ball bearing in there. And I will be honest with you, I have not opened this one up to see if there's one in there. Like I said, red G10 scales. There's only one way to carry it, right-hand carry, tip up. Now, all these other 704s by WE were made in China. I could not track down where this one was made. Alright, I love how it fits in the hand. The fit and finish on it is pretty cool. I mean, it really, truly stands out. Amongst all the other blades that I have, you really get drawn into this one. You really, really, truly do. Now, let's do the fun stuff that we usually do. Heavy-duty stock paper. Let's go for the fun. Wow. Okay. Oh, blew that. But as you saw, that started to do that neat little curly cue. All right. Standard old paracord. All right. Pull test. Oh, yeah. Right through it. Now let's give it an old slice test. Yeah. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Not a problem. And as we always do, oh, yep, you can see it right there. Picked up ratchet strap fuzzies. Yep, that's all it really picked up. Now, Because this is a BattleBox exclusive, I could not find a price point anywhere out there like Amazon, Blade HQ, WE Knives. So I'm betting BattleBox has the exclusive rights to this one. On March 17th, 2020, on BattleBox's mobile app for their web store, it's 119 bucks. So that's not a bad deal. I mean, it's an exclusive for about 120, and it's pretty neat, at least to me. But, as you know in every single video that I have, and oh yeah, I just forgot to forward jumping, sorry. And I really wouldn't call that a finger churl, but I don't know, maybe you can. I'd just be careful of, my finger going forward, but that's just me. All right, as I do in every single video, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I also want to know, do you think she's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I just, for an exclusive, I really didn't want to drop the cash, but I was like, okay, getting flush with tax refund money, why not pick up something that I can keep for a while and hopefully it'll appreciate, right? Alrighty guys, let's get that wrap up going. If you're a first time viewer of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing mine. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look right down there. Going to be a big channel symbol pop up. Go ahead, click on it. It will bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think will be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. WE Knives 704 X-Ray Romeo. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.